Hey students, so today we are going to discuss the topic of literary text. So what is literary text? Like it is a piece of writing that is created for beauty, emotion and deeper meaning, not just to give information. Okay? So the main purpose is to entertain, move and make the reader think. Okay? So So basically, in this lesson, we will learn three types of literary text, which is fantasy, realistic fiction, and science fictions. Okay. So, what is fantasy? A fantasy is a piece of fiction that contains elements such as medieval or imaginary setting with characters that can be described as magical. So basically, fantasy is a story that contains things that cannot happen in real life. Okay, like fantasy stories usually have, you can say, magical creatures. Okay, so in fantasy fiction, the setting of the story will occur in an imaginary place or medieval, specifically Arthurian places. The characters in this work are often made up of magical people, beasts, or other creatures such as fairies. So basically, fantasy story usually have magic, imaginary places, kings, queens, and castles, dragons, fairies, witches, wizards, etc. Okay, basically the setting is often an imaginary world, a magical kingdom, or old castle times. Okay, for example, okay, the Harry Potter series by J.K. Rowling is an example of fantasy fiction. In this infamous series, the main characters are witches and wizards who are on a mission to save the imaginary school Hogwarts from evil beings. Okay, so basically, Harry Potter is a fantasy story because Harry is a wizard and Hogwarts is a magical school. There are magical spells and magical creatures. Since magic is not real, but Harry Potter is a fantasy story. Okay, so types. Okay, modern folktales. Okay, in modern folktales, the story revolves around a strong conflict that is solved quickly through the brief plot presented in the tale. An example of a modern folktale would be Hansel and Gretel, written by the brothers Grimm. In this quick tale, two children venture off into the woods and unexpectedly find themselves tricked by an evil old woman. So basically, modern folktales like are shorter stories with a problem, a quick solution, and important lesson. Okay, like Hansel and Gretel, like there are two children which go into the forest. They find a house made of sweets, and an old witch tricks them. Finally, the children escape, and although the story teaches a lesson that the magical parts make it fantasy. Okay. So the next one is magical fantasy. Okay, so this type of fantasy include elements such as characters with magical powers or object. So basically, the magical fantasies like it contain magical powers, magical objects, spells, flying animals, and talking creatures. For example, you can say flying broom, magic ring. These things cannot happen in real life. Okay. So the next one is realistic fiction. Okay. So basically, realistic fiction is made up of story, but it could really happen. Like the characters behave like real people, the places are real, the problems are similar to everyday life. Although the story is fictional, like it, but it feels realistic. Okay. So realistic fiction is a genre consisting of stories that could have actually occurred to people or animals in a believable settings. Like these stories resembles real life, and fictional characters within these stories react similarly to real people. Stories that are classified as realistic fiction have plots that highlight social or personal events or issues that mirror contemporary life, such as falling in love, marriage, find a job, divorce, alcoholism, etc. Okay. So basically, in simple words, that the realistic fiction is made up story, but it could really happen. Like you can say the story is fictional, but it feels realistic. Okay. So the next one is characteristic of realistic fiction. Okay, realistic fiction stories tend to take place in the present or recent past. Basically, the story usually happens, you can say, today, yesterday, or recent years. Okay, and characters are involved in events that could happen. Okay, so basically, you can say the real characters. Like characters are normal people, such as students, parents, teachers, and friends. Okay, characters characters live in places that could be or are real. Basically, you can say places belongs to a school. It can be home, hospitals, park, and market. Okay, so the character seems like real people with real issues solved in a realistic way. Okay, so character may face friendship problems like schoolwork, family issues. These are the problems people can really have. Okay, the event portrayed in realistic fiction conjure questions that a reader could face in everyday life. So basically, the problems are solved naturally, no magic is used. Okay. For example, you can say that a girl moves to a new school, she feels lonely, she makes new friends, everything could happen in real life. So it is a realistic fiction. Okay. So the next one is science fiction. Okay. So basically, science fiction is a story based on science and technology. As by name, you can know that this is a story that is based on science and technology. Like some parts are imaginary, but they could be possible because of scientific ideas. Like scientific fiction often includes space travel, robots, alien, future technology, and new planets. Okay. So, scientific fiction is a genre of fiction literature that is based on scientific facts, theories, and principles. While the storylines and some parts are imaginary, they are plausible according to science. Okay. Examples of scientific fiction. Okay, sorry, science fiction. The novel Ender's Game by Orson Scott Card is an example of science fiction. Okay, so basically the story is about Ender's Game, like it's about a future world, advanced technology, space, aliens, training your fighters. This make it science fiction. Okay. Okay. So here we have some activities. Read each sentence and write R for reality and F for fantasy. Okay. The dragons roared and then flew off into the clouds. Yes. F, which is fantasy because dragons are imaginary. Okay. The two little ponies ran around the fields all morning. Yes. Real. Because ponies are real animals. Okay. The next one is the strange old woman clicked her heels together 3 times and disappeared. Yes, it is a fiction because people cannot disappear using magic. Okay. The next one is if you blow out all candles today, your wish will come true. Yes, it is also a fantasy. The next one is the water froze and turned to diamonds. Yes, it is also a fictional. Okay. Fantasy. The next one is the invisible kittens played with a ball of yarn. Yes, it is also a fantasy. The next one is the giant lifted the house with one hand. Fantasy. Birds flew across the sky. It is a real. Rainbow have many colors. It is also real. Okay, so this is your self activity, like you have to do it yourself. So here are some title of books. Sort them out and write in the column A if the title of book based on reality, and write in column B if the titles of books are based on fantasy. Let's suppose we have the title "The Kid Who Ran for President." Okay, so it's kind of realistic fiction. Like these stories involve people and situations that would happen in real life. And same in the case of fantasy, like the Lord of Rings, the King of Elfen's Daughter. Like these books include magical places, magical creatures, and impossible events. Okay, so you have to sort it. Okay, so here we have next activity. Okay. Worksheet number two. Scientific fiction is a form of fiction that deals principally with the impact of actual or imagined science upon society or individual. Okay, so read this paragraph carefully. You have to pause the video and read it. So paragraph one basically belongs to like Captain Jack and his crew travel into space. Like their mission is, you can say, explore space, discover new planets, and they travel in the spaceship called Galactic Explorer. And paragraph two is like the crew sees stars, colorful clouds, big gas planets, rocky planets, shooting stars, and they collect pictures, samples to study later on Earth. Okay, so and paragraph three is about like they discover a special planet. Its name is Nova Prime. It has green forest, blue lakes, friendly aliens, and the crew shares their discovery with Earth, and everyone is amazed. Okay, so who is the captain of the spaceship Galactic Explorer? Yes, Captain Jack. Who was the mission of Captain? What was the mission of the Captain Jack and his crew? To explore new planets. Okay. What did the crew collect from the planets they visited? Yes, stars and colorful clouds. What did the crew collect from planets they visited? Samples and pictures. And what did Captain Jack and his crew name the special planet they discovered? Yes, it's a Nova Prime.